There's two ways of presenting in secondary school, and this is very important, especially when you are doing a word problem kind of question. Okay, so the first way of presenting is writing a statement to express what your answer is talking about. It can be total age equals to 34 years old. You know, it can be amount earned. Sometimes it can be in terms of the algebra. Sometimes it can be in terms of number. But it's important to say that what are all your values referring to. There's no such thing as 12 divided by 3 equals to 4 in secondary school presentation. No. Okay. There's also no such thing as 1 plus anything. That means anything without a statement in front is not correct. Okay. The second thing is making equation. Making equation is used when you need to find what is x, when you need to solve for x. Okay, and that is what all word problems are talking about. Number one, always make the smaller quantity x. Maybe not always, most of the time this will work. Okay, and then express the others in the form of x. Then we try to form an equation. Something like question 10. Nadia is twice as old as Raju and half as old as Bernard. Okay, so in this case, Nadia Raju is the youngest guy. Okay, then we let x be Raju age. Okay, which means that Nadia's age will be equals to 2x because she is twice as old. And half as old as Bernard. That means Bernard age is equals to 2 times of 2x, which is equals to 4x. And this is what I meant by expressing your values in a statement. Okay. In 22 years time, Bernard will be twice as old as Raju. Find Nadia's present age. Well, of course there are other methods to solve this, but I prefer this. I prefer to tell you that use x as the smallest quantity. Okay, in 22 years time, that means in 22 years time, how old will Raju be? Raju will be x plus. So you can say that in 22 years, Raju will be equals to x plus 22. Bernard will be equals to 4x plus 22 because everybody will increase by 22 years old. Now, because Bernard will be twice as old as Raju, in order for them to be equal, who must multiply by 2? Of course, it's the younger boy. So Raju must multiply by 2, and this is what I meant by forming the equation, making the equation. Raju is younger, so Raju need to multiply by 2 to be equals to Bernard's age. Okay, so this is Raju, this is Bernard. This is what I meant by making the equation. Then now, use all your knowledge of algebra to solve it. 2 in front means 2 multiplied to him, so this will be 2x plus 44 will be equals to 4x plus 32. Okay, I say most of the time we bring the algebra on, keep the algebra to the left side, the numbers to the right side. Now at this point of time, because 4x is here, 2x is here, 4x is bigger than 2x. Can you bring your 2x to the right side instead? Yes, it's possible. Can you bring your 22 to the left side instead? Yes, it's also possible. So that means 44 minus 22 is equals to 4x minus 2x. 2x equals to 22, mirror image. Okay. And then x is equals to 11. Right? Most of the time they will actually tell you to solve for what is x. But if they never tell you to solve for what is x, you have already found Nadia's age because that's what they wanted. Nadia's age, and Nadia's is how many? 2x. At this point of time, you already found the answer. So just write down Nadia's age is equals to 22. Always write your units behind at the final answer. Okay, so two things. Number one, when you want to present, always present it as a statement. Then number two, when you want to form the equation, that's where you have to solve for x.